Hey guys! This is Marco once again from Bisdak Unboxing Channel. And today, mag-unbox na sa taog bag-o nga product. And this is the Anker Soundcore Motion Q. So, pasensya na kayo guys ha, kayo dinalian rin siya nga video since I just got this product yesterday for tomorrow's event. We're going to the beach and wala ko'y madala nga speakers. So, I decided to get this because I don't know, I just passed over an Anker store yesterday sa SMC side. Shout out ninyo diha sa Anker store SMC side. Thank you kaayo sa pag-accommodate o pag-answer sa akong mga inquiries yesterday. And without further ado guys, let's get into the unboxing. Switch lang ko camera angle. Bye-bye. Alright, naka-switch na tao camera angle guys. And boy, it does look so good sa background. And mao na ni ang speakers guys. Anker Soundcore Motion Q, mao na ang nasa tubangan, picture sa speakers. And then sa kilid na ay gisuwat nga go anywhere, and then picture gyapon sa speakers nga nakagbitay. And then sa pikas kilid is picture gyapon sa speakers nga naka-submerge sa water since this is waterproof. So luyo, natay atong specs, mga main specs sa ato ang speaker guys. So we have Soundcore Motion Q. Ang main good niya nga feature is ang 360 surround sound. Next is ang IP67 fully waterproof, and then nasa tay wireless stereo pairing because of course we connect via Bluetooth on this guy. For the bass, we have a clear bass. I haven't tested it out yet, but I hope it will turn out good. And it also boasts up to 10 hours of playtime on a full charge. In addition to that, nasad sila'y wrist strap. So it's very easy to carry and super handy. So what's in the box? We have of course the speakers, usa ka micro USB cable, and then of course ang ato ang wrist strap. So let's get into the unboxing na guys. Natay pull tab dire sa babaw. So i-pull lang na nato and it should open the box. So, mauna ni ang nasa box. First, we have, I think mauni ang wrist strap ug ang micro USB. If I'm not mistaken. Of course, we have the manuals. And then, ano ni? Kani, mauni ang user manual. User manual gyapon ni. So, if you want to troubleshoot your device, you have a lot of instructions kaning nga manual. And then we have the strap, pretty basic, and we also have the micro USB, which is also just pretty basic cable. Di siya braided. Hopefully ilata tong i-include ang braided nga cable para mas, you know, maka-add sa aesthetic. Let's set this aside for now and let's get into the speakers. So wala na ilain sa box, maura to. And wala na ang speakers. Nakaputos dahil siya guys, so it is very sealed. Anitang tangon ng plastic to reveal the speakers. There we have it. So, mana ni ang speakers guys. The design is really good. Minimalistic iyang design. Cylindrical iyang design, minimalist, and then ang iyang kaning material sa na nag-cover most sa speakers kay more siya fabric type nga material nga murag wool. Basta I couldn't describe it, basta more siya fabric nga murag pason. Inana gani siya nga type sa material. At the top natay controls, natay kuan sad branding Soundcore. So natay power on button, volume up, volume down, play, I think pause play ni siya nga button, and then natay Bluetooth nga button sa babaw. Unya sa bottom part, mga kuan ra siya, mga letters nga nag-indicate sa model device, and then mga ICC restrictions. Not sure if that's what you call it, but wala na siya ang nasa bottom. And then sa luyo nga part, of course natay cut out diri para sa ato ang wrist strap. I mean sa atong strap, tawag kani? Yeah, wrist strap lagi. Sa atong wrist strap, so ato lang nang taod kadali. So na ang pagtaod ang wrist strap, guys. Nice. And then diri sa ubos na atay aux and power. So diri ta mag-charge, and then pwede sa ta magka-connect og aux cord diri if you want to use an aux cord para sa output. So mo na siya ang speakers, guys. Let's turn it on and let us test it out. Sound test ta, sound test. Ooh. So I'm going to pair it sa kadali sa ako ang PC. So i-push lang nila to ang power button and then ang Bluetooth nga button. So I think na siya indicator nga mo kuan nga naka Bluetooth. I think a long person siguro. There. So mo white siya para mag ngita og device nga iyahang ika-connect. Dili siya makita, guys. I'm not sure why. Na naka-on man taon ta akong Bluetooth. Wait lang. There. Pair na nako sa akong computer. So once paired, mo na siya sound Q and mo blue sa diyahang light. Let us play some music on this guy. Let me turn it up. That's 50% volume guys sa akong computer, guys. Let me turn it up to 100. And let me also turn up the volume here to 100. So every time ni mo i-press ang volume up button mo, change sa dayahang light. I think. Okay, so mo change ra ang iyang light if naka sa full nga volume. So max volume na siya, mo change siya to white. So check it out. Muna niya ang max volume.
increasing my strength. But I remember myself. Life can be hard, but it's what we do to get to the top. Yeah.
So mao na to guys, ang ato ang unboxing and gamay nga review sa Anker Soundcore Motion Q. It's pretty loud. When in fact it's really loud. There is a long room at max volume. At a very small form factor, you get 360 surround sound, fully waterproof speakers that you can carry anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more unboxing videos, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. This has been Marco. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.